If you've ever talked yourself out of content creation because you're an introvert, then this video is for you. A lot of people think that becoming a content creator means that you're the loudest person in the room, that you're charismatic, and that you're extremely outgoing, and that is so far from the truth. I'd actually argue that content creation might actually be one of the best businesses to start if you're an introvert. And I genuinely say this as an introvert myself. A lot of my friends and family would be generally shocked by that comment because they would say that I'm an extrovert. Yes, I am loud. I have a big personality, but I am actually really introverted. I am only outgoing towards the people I feel comfortable with, and that's the important part there. I am comfortable. When I'm around people I'm not comfortable with, I get really reserved and I'm like, oh, I don't feel like talking right now. Even when I go to an outing with my friends, after that one day, I go home and I marinate for weeks or months because I am so socially drained after that. And that is one of the biggest things about being an introvert. I really enjoy having alone time, recovering and resting. I am also an INFJ, so if you know, you know. So when I tell you that content creation can work for introverts, I'm not saying this as an outsider. I am definitely in the club. Now, let's get into why. I do want to clear up something very important. Being an introvert doesn't mean that you're shy. It doesn't mean that you're socially awkward or you have social anxiety. These are very different things. Being shy generally attributes to fear of social judgment. And introversion and extroversion is all about energy, what gives you energy and what depletes it. Basically, introverts recharge alone and extroverts recharge with others. And here's the thing that people don't really talk about. Extroverts can be shy. Extroverts can have social anxiety. And sometimes introverts can be extremely confident. But this is not really spoken about enough. Let's go into content creation. The first reason why I think content creation is amazing for introverts is that you create your own terms. One of the hardest things about working a traditional corporate job is that there is so much performance. What I'm talking about is face-to-face interaction with your colleagues and the clients. You're talking to people day in and day out. I remember coming home from work and it would be around 8:30 to 9 o'clock at night and I am exhausted. The last thing I want to do is even talk to my family, which is so sad because that's what I want to do the most. You're basically on for 8 hours straight. You're commuting to work. Sometimes, the small chat, hello, good morning. And it sounds so small, but it is so exhausting, especially for an introvert. And what's great about content creation is that there is none of that. You create your own hours, your own schedule. You decide your own pace, format, and how you're going to be creating this content. You can literally brainstorm an idea, concept, or your brief campaign, whatever it is, for an hour if you need that time to yourself. And if you're having a low energy day, you can adjust your schedule. You are never expected to perform on demand, which is what I love so much about creating content. I won't get those little pesky Teams meetings saying, hop on a call in 10 minutes, I need to speak to you. You are in charge of your schedule. You are in charge of what your output is. Another reason why I like content creation is because a lot of the work happens behind a screen. Take a moment to actually think about what content creation entails. You're brainstorming, you're writing, you're scripting, you're thinking about what your content is going to look like. You're strategizing, designing, and even creating the content. A lot of that can be done solo. You don't need to be in an office. You don't need to be next to 15 different people talking about the concept ideas. A lot of this can be done in your bedroom by yourself. And even if you're filming content like this, there's no live audience unless you're live streaming. That's a completely different ball game. A lot of this can be done in the peace and quiet of your lovely environment. Something that introverts don't get enough credit for is that they are amazing communicators. And you're probably thinking, how so? They genuinely like to listen and think before they write or say anything at all. They tend to process information before responding as well. And this is not always the case, but introverts can be a lot better at expressing themselves in written communications than verbally. This is where they will shine in content creation because they have the time to think, they have the time to come up with concepts and actually create something that's valuable. And being a content creator entails a lot of this. So you're writing EDMs, emails, SEO, you're writing newsletters, blog articles, captions, carousels, or whatever it is, you name it. Introverts can be great at this. Also, a little fun thing to note is that because there's less pressure on you, you're not in a room full of so many people who are going to drain your energy, your nervous system will thank you. You are not being put on the spot and you actually have more mental clarity that way. And for a lot of introverts, small talk can be so draining and exhausting, and replacing it with content creation where you as an introvert can shine, show off your skills and create craft within your your own safe space will create so much more value than being put in an environment where you're not going to strive. The next reason why you should become a content creator despite being an introvert is going to be my sister Jessica's favorite. You get to do this from your bedroom or even on your bed. I know you might not be able to film all of your videos on your bed, but a lot of the admin and editing, you can definitely do it there. I know you need to separate your bed from your office, but sometimes you get lazy and it's a bit cold now in Melbourne, so I don't blame you if you work from the bed sometimes. With this job, you don't need to go to networking events unless you do want to build your network. That's a whole different story, but there's no cold calling. A lot of it you can do from your house, bedroom, whatever it is. Pretty much you can build this business from wherever you feel safe. My sister Jess, she's also introverted and she's shy, but she creates content. She does voiceovers, she does UGC as well, and she's a social media manager, which a lot of people go, no way, she's so shy, she wouldn't be doing all of these things. Think about it carefully. A lot of the things that you do as a content creator is solo. So it's not really that shocking, is it? I know I use that word solo a lot, but that's the next point that I'm going to make. Pretty much this whole job is solo. Think about it. You're writing a caption. You can do that on your own. You're brainstorming content ideas. You don't need a whole team to help you do that. Filming your content, you can do that by yourself as well. Honestly, a lot of content creators and UGC creators that you speak to, they're usually a team of 1 or maximum 2 if they have a VA helping them. Even if you do have that one VA, you're not going to be on Teams calls with them every single day. I haven't actually hopped on a Teams call with my VA in a very long time. Compare that to if you were at a traditional job, a lot of it won't be solo. Yes, you might be managing a project that's solo, but you will always have people that are asking you, okay, what's happening with this? What's happening with that? I've never been in a corporate role where I didn't have at least 5 people speak to me in a single day, even when I was in a small team. Last thing I want to talk about is you don't need a big personality. This is something that I really want you to sit with, because a lot of people think I need to be outgoing, I need to be confident, I need to be this and that. Swipe that out of your head. It's redundant. You don't have to be the best at anything. You don't need all of that. Being you is enough. Some of the most influential people barely show their face online. And some of the most influential people also speak very calmly, but still have millions of people hanging onto their words. And some people build entire businesses solely on writing alone. I know some people that have made hundreds of thousands writing blog posts. Presence online is not about your volume. It's about your clarity, your positioning, and consistency. An introvert that shows up consistently with a strategy, because that is very important, will always perform so much better than an extrovert that posts for about 3 months and disappears. The internet doesn't reward the loudest person in the room. The internet will reward the people that are consistent, that show up with intention and with clarity. If you are an introvert that's been sitting on the fence about whether or not they want to start content creation, I really hope this video helps move the needle a little bit, because I promise you are actually the right person for this job. Introversion is not a disadvantage. If anything, you can use that as your edge. Thank you so much for tuning in on today's video, and I hope you found this helpful. Make sure you stay tuned, because I'll be posting a lot more videos on all things content creation in the future. Bye!